All right, so it says choose the situation that best describes exponential decay. Now, exponential decay has a standard form that looks like this. Y equals A times 1 minus R to the X power. And the A represents the initial value and the R represents the rate of change. And so when you have an exponential function, the change can be written as a percentage, which is the R here. And so if you look at the answer choices given, D says that it's decreasing by 12% each year. So I know the answer is D. And in fact, if they asked you to write the equation, you could write it as y equals, actually, we don't know what the initial value is, so I take that back. We couldn't write it. But for the R in here, you would put 0.12 or 12 hundredths. So you write the percent as a decimal. So this is what it would look like, and then A would be the initial value. So the answer is D. But I want to show you another way real quick that you could go about figuring this out is so you could take A, B, and C, each of those, and just kind of make up a list of values, and then we could test to see if they change at a percentage like D does. So for A, so for all of them, let's just say the initial price of the car is 10,000. So I'm just making up some values here so we can analyze those. And so C is also 10,000. We'll keep it the same. And then for A, it goes down by 1,000 each year. So then it would go down to 9,000 and then 8,000 and so on. B goes from 10,000 to 9,000. And then it goes down by 2,000. So that would be 7,000. And then it goes down by 3. So that's 4,000. And then for C, the first year it goes down to 9,000. Then it goes down to 7,000, and then it goes down to 3,000. Okay, so the point of this, I was just showing you another way to figure this out. So what you could do now is for these, you could divide these to find the percent change. You could divide that and see if they come out the same. And if you do that for all of these, none of them come out the same. So the change is not exponential. If the change was exponential, then you would divide those and you would get the same number, which would be your R value. Okay? So hopefully that helped you out. Keep working hard and you will master the math.